Here's a 2017 GMC Yukon XL. Not only does the stylish exterior design awash you in confidence, the capabilities will too. 3 rows of seating and cargo room galore challenge you to fill it up. The 5.3-liter Ecotec 3 V8 engine comes in at 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque to conquer all demands. The OnStar with 4G LTE and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and color touchscreen media display with IntelliLink are ready to respond to your needs. Plus, the front and rear parking assist, rear vision camera, and remote vehicle start will make coming and going a breeze. Well built, well liked, and well up to the task. This Yukon XL is ready for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.